Before joining the Brahma Muhurat workshop, I was very depressed. I had no clarity.
I was getting irritated or very much mentally dragged down or low energy.
My anxiety level has reduced and I have become more calm and patient.
So this Brahma Muhurta program, I think, did that magic for me. And if it can do it to me, definitely it will do it to all.
I was completely unaware of the concept of Brahma Muhurat. This is the power of a structured environment. Otherwise, I am the kind of person who would definitely hit the snooze button at 5:30. But ये जो मैं कर रही हूँ, but one thing which I realized during this Brahma Muhurat is जब आप बोलते हैं ना कि 5 minutes sit with silence. तो I have my vision board तो मैं वो पूरा vision board visualize करती हूँ in those 5 minutes, and my vision board is with me. You can see all of you, all of this is coming true in my life because I am doing that visualization in Brahma Muhurat. जब आपने उसने कहा है कि पैसे को किधर से भी आने दो, when you manifest you don't block things. My co-sister went to US and she gifted me a Michael Kors bag, and kids within 10 days they made this frame for me.
Brahma Muhurat rituals are the simplest thing one can do to change their life. से simple कुछ चीज़ हो ही नहीं सकती. I am telling it with conviction because I myself has implemented this. कोई वीडियो मुझे दिखा जहाँ पर लिखा था कि ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में उठने से we will be able to explore our potential and we'll be able to grow and transform and things like that. So I thought let me try. After this morning sessions, morning workshops, I started manifesting what I wanted. I wanted a growth wherein I would enjoy doing what I want. Much more than 10x of what we were earning then, we are earning today. And Shilpa, in your community, okay, in our community, so many people have done it and they've experienced transformation. Like within no time, within 3 months, we've seen changes coming, right? There was an instant connect, Shilpa, with you because of your story. So Falgun and I, my husband and I, both were into corporate jobs and caught into a 9 to 9 rat race and all. We have potential. We also wanted to grow. Then you shared this powerful morning routine. I continued following, adapted to the morning routine just like fish adapts to water. It was very easy for me and I had been waking up, right? I told you during Brahma Muhurat. But उठ के क्या करना है वो मुझे नहीं पता था. That I got to know from your workshop. I joined your Rise and Shine and all those courses, and slowly, gradually, when I started practicing things, I started seeing transformation within myself. So when I started seeing positive changes around me because of my inner transformation, I realized that if I can do it, I can also help others do it.
Since 30 years, I was not able to get up in the morning. My belief system was like, I'm very proud. I will sleep night at 2:30 and I'll get up at 7:30, 8 o'clock. Nothing changed. I'll tell you, nothing changed. Neither the parents nor the mentors. I did habit mastery course. I read Atomic Habits. I don't know, sometimes with a alarm, everything is fine. But that, what will do after getting up? Gita, you are the one. I bow. You please take a bow. You are the one introduced by Krishna to me. Shilpa ji, please. Really. And I'll tell you, nothing is stopping me to get up now. Nothing is stopping me to get up.